Are you looking for the best collapsible picnic baskets in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best collapsible picnic baskets that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. ALLCAMP, Insulated Cooler Bag Folding Collapsible Picnic Basket. The picnic basket from ALLCAMP is ideal for the picnic, sports events, and concerts and has a good capacity of 22 liters. It comprises a rugged polyester canvas, a sturdy aluminum frame and is a good insulation. The lightweight unit features an insulated interior for maintaining the right temperatures and is heat-sealed to prevent any leakage. Thanks to the strong construction and sturdy handles, the basket cooler can carry up to 65 pounds of food, snacks, and drinks. The basket folds flat to save space and have an easy-to-clean interior and exterior. Number 4. Von Chef, Deluxe Folding Handle Picnic Basket. You and your partner or spouse will find this Von Chef picnic basket suited for the picnic. It is made from top-notch wicker to tolerate the outdoor and is ideal for the park, beach, trail, campsite, sporting event, musical concerts and other places. It can hold glasses, plates, tableware, cutlery, fleece, napkin, cheese knife, and has an easy open and close lid. The basket comprises a waterproof PVA backing and patterned blankets for protection against moisture, wet grass, and impact. Number 3. California Picnic Basket Set. When you make this purchase, you will not just get a basket but an entire picnic set. You will get 2 stainless steel spoons, 2 wine glasses, 2 cotton napkins, salt and pepper shakers, a bottle opener, 2 ceramic plates, 2 stainless steel forks, 2 stainless steel knives, and a free picnic basket. The value for money here is just amazing. The blanket is waterproof and can't be penetrated by moisture. The great thing about the basket and the set is that they are multifunctional. They can be used for different types of meals at different times of the day as well. Your purchase will be backed by a lifetime warranty money-back guarantee. Number 2. Leave Life, Collapsible Picnic Basket. This picnic basket is designed for a family or a group of friends. It has a 40 lb capacity and can handle a good volume of drinks and snacks. The basket cooler is made of an aluminum frame and rugged polyester canvas to endure regular carrying and the outdoors. It features a tight sealing lid for improved hygiene and protection and an insulated interior for maintaining the desired temperature. The basket opens wide for easy access and has 2 compartments for improved organization. Number 1. Picnic Time, Catalina English-Style Picnic Basket. The Picnic Time picnic basket is designed for 2 people and measures 15 by 8 inches. It comes in English styling for extra panache and can accommodate ceramic mugs, porcelain plates, spoons, forks, coves and other accessories. The elegant basket is constructed from wicker, has a stylish leatherette trail. And is lightweight and very portable. The unit is suited for picnicking at the park, beach, sports events, concert and other places. It features a user-friendly lid and is also very easy to clean. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.